Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we give quick tips as parents of 3 to help with everyday life. I'm Joel, and this video is all about tire maintenance. The reason why I'm talking to you about tire maintenance is because it's really important. I've got 3 kids, I want to be as safe as I can on the road, and there are some things that I'm not sure everybody knows about that impact your tires a lot and can help you prevent some issues with traveling. And just recently, the weather started changing. It's fall season here and the weather is up and down all the time. And just that little change in temperature makes an impact on your tires. And there are a few other things to look for. My wife and I are going to take a trip with the kiddos coming up very soon, and it made me realize I needed to take a look at my tires and see where my tires are at. And there are 4 things that I needed to take a look at. 1, I needed to check the tread and see if I have really good tread on my tires. 2, how long ago did I put my tires on? How many miles have these guys traveled? And is it time to rotate or is it time to replace? 3, as I mentioned, the temperature is changing, so I need to check the air pressure to make sure that these guys are still holding good pressure and we're able to travel with them. And 4, how long ago did I put these tires on? The amount of years matter. And with all 4 of those tips, I can show you some quick and easy things for you to look for and to help to make sure that your tires are safe for traveling. The resource that I've used was the Discount Tire website. I love Discount Tire, they're fantastic. I like to service my tires through Discount Tire. I've had many years of experience working with them, and I've gone through several tires with Discount Tire. And I would encourage you to check out their website. Their website is fantastic. And Discount Tire says you want to know your numbers. Your numbers matter. Your tread depth. Tip number 1, taking tire safety seriously is important. And here's a trick to figure out your tread depth. It's the quarter and the penny trick. And if you do not have a depth measuring stick, and I'll post a picture here, in order to check your tread depth, then you can ballpark it and you can get an average of your tread depth by just using a quarter and a penny. Discount Tire shows you the penny and a quarter trick in order to perform an average tread depth on your own. And using the penny and the quarter trick, you should be able to see how deep your tread is and to see if it's time for replacing or just another rotation. And it could give you a good ballpark and a good measurement. And you're just looking to see if you turn the penny or the quarter upside down to see if you can see the head. And if you can see the head, then it might be time for replacing the tires. Another knowing your numbers is knowing your tire's age. They recommend replacing your tires after every 6 years. They say because after 6 years, your tires have a higher risk of tread separation, sidewall bulges, and other similar issues. So you want to be mindful of how many years your tires have been on your vehicle. You want to also perform regular maintenance on your tires by rotating them every 6,000 miles. And of course, this is recommended. And what I do is I use my trip setting to measure how many miles I put on this rotation, and I look at the gauge to see when my next rotation is coming up, and it's really helpful. And so you have usually 2 settings, an A and B trip, and I use one of those to help me out. And the 4th thing is check your air pressure regularly. They recommend every 30 days to check your air pressure. And the reason why this is important is because with temperature changes, when the temperature drops, so does the air pressure in your tire. Therefore, it can become underinflated and increase the chance of tire failure. Driving on underinflated tires can generate more excessive heat, causing the rubber to break down. Your tire air pressure loses about 1 to 2 pounds per month. And here's another important note. With every 10-degree temperature change, your tire air pressure changes 1 psi. Pound per square inch. Now you typically only have about 32 psi to work with, so any small change could make a big difference. And I know in order to check your tire pressure, if you don't have one of these air pressure gauges, That looks a little low. That's the reason why I'm doing one of these videos, to make sure that these guys are safe and sound, which I know they're not. So I'll be taking them to the discount tire store today and see if I can get these either A, rotated and fixed up and pressure increased and ready to drive again, or since the tread looks really low, I might have to get them replaced, which is okay because I wanted to get the BF Goodwrench Mud Terrain TA KM3s, and that's the newest mud terrain. And the mud terrains have been fantastic. I love these mud terrains. I'm going to make another video about these BF Goodwrench mud terrains, and I hope you guys watch that one because I love these tires. I'll also let you know that if you go to your local discount tire store, they should have a station that you can just drive up and get your tire pressure checked for free. They'll look at your tire pressure, they'll give you more air if you need it, and they'll also check the tread depth quickly to see if your tires are needing some rotation or need to be replaced. So those are several reasons why I love the discount tire store. Quick and easy. I've got multiple kids sometimes. I can't always get it out and air up my tire myself, so I just go through the drive-through at the discount tire shop and they help me out. So to recap, the point to this video is to make sure that you guys are traveling safely and your tires are working efficiently. I want all of you guys to be safe out there, and knowing that I'm coming up on a road trip coming to the holidays, and with the weather changing, there are all these factors that you play into making sure that you are safe on the road. And I hope these little tricks and tips can help you guys out. And remember to visit the Discount Tire website. When you go to the website, you go to the top menu bar and go to tips and guides, and then go to safety practices. Once you go there, you'll find all of the tips that I just talked about in detail and lay it all out for you. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from the Family 5 Quick Tips, click subscribe, and leave me comments below if you have other tips and tricks that you look at for the tires, or know any other good places, stores that you like to take your tires to get them serviced and taken care of. And remember, be happy, have fun, and enjoy the season of life you're in, guys. Take care. Now it's time to go take these bad boys and get new tires.